Hey guys, I'm sorry if you can't hear me. I have 3 weather radio signals on. I'm on WXN 95 from Harrison, Arkansas, KZZ 43, Branson, Missouri, and then WXL 46, which is my channel. So I'm waiting for the required play test to issue. Whoever receives the required play test first wins. Guys, I'll see you there. Alright, KCZ 43 received it in WXL 46.
Sunday night and Monday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms and overnight. Then showers and thunderstorms likely until afternoon. So in the mid-60s weather situation, national wind receivers are automatically activated to warn the impending weather. Test of now weather radio station WXL 46's warning alarm systems. During potentially dangerous weather situations, when there is a threat of existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noted weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. And warnings affecting the following counties: Barry, Christian, Stone, and Taney. This has been a test of the now weather radio order. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Green, McLean, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. This has been a test of the now weather radio warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Alright. Now we're waiting for Harrison, Arkansas to do it. Alright, so it was KCC 43 and then WXL 46. Alright, now I just gotta wait for Harrison, Arkansas to come down.
Office in North Little Rock.
Here we go.
Test of the National Weather Service hazardous weather warning system. Get your warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the No Weather Radio All Hazard system. Tests of this warning system on No Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The No Weather Radio All Hazard system is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television